We're going to take a look now at the 2-point dumbbell row, also known as the bird dog row. This is a fantastic exercise for developing core stability because we're trying to execute a weightlifting movement whilst being on a pretty unstable posture. So we begin by placing our opposite hand and opposite knee down on a bench. Our other leg is extended behind us and our free hand grips a dumbbell. From there, we pull our elbow up to the ceiling, lower under control, up and down, just like so. So we're trying to execute a pretty standard dumbbell row, like I said, from a rather unstable posture. And that is the 2-point or bird dog row.